got declined. Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. मैं just अभी अभी नहा के निकली हूँ, so this is the condition of my बाल. I really liked this flower, so मुझे flowers बहुत पसंद है. I really love flowers, so I really like this. So I put this here and it looks very cute. So मैं आज एक story time video बनाने वाली हूँ. So this story time basically is basically about a particular date. Obviously. So I went out on a date with this particular guy whom I matched in Bumble, and it was like a very long time back. I think it has been like 5 years. I was at that point of time, I was like 25, and I was dumb as hell. I did not know how to speak, or I was very dumb. Like I'll admit, like मैं अभी भी dumb हूँ, but अभी थोड़ा better हूँ, I think. But तब तो at 5 years back, Sandy was like ऐसा था. So I matched with this guy from Bumble. Apparently, this guy was a doctor and he was living in Canada, and he came here for, to spend some time with his family. I don't remember the name, obviously. So we matched on Bumble. I don't remember the conversation I had with him on Bumble because like बहुत साल पुराना था, like पुराना है, so I don't really remember. So I will talk about the particular date. It is because आपको पता चल जाएगा why I'm talking about this particular date, what happened and how this guy turned out. Apparently he's this hotshot doctor in Canada. He has a car and he's like, oh my god, I don't like India and stuff. I am very lucky that I'm living in Canada. And he had this accent and stuff. So, so I met him in Park Street, and obviously we met and we went there, and obviously we were talking, and at that point of time, I was not using any credit card, any type of credit cards or anything. It is very important to the story, so I'll tell you why I'm telling this. So I was not using any credit cards, and this guy asked me, so do you use credit cards? So I said, no, I don't use credit cards. I pay in cash only, and I like online transactions, whatever, I do that only. So he said, you don't use credit cards, you should use credit cards, like your credit score will be good and you'll get loans and stuff. So I'm like, yeah, I did not say much. I was very, I did not have I did not have much idea about the credit cards and how these loans and stuff works. So I just heard. I was like, okay. So obviously we were talking, and he was being very chipko, and he was sitting in front of me. Then after some time he came and sat beside me, and like we were talking. I don't remember all of the conversation, to be honest. I remember what happened, the particular like जो मेरे mind में stuck हुआ वही मुझे याद है. So we were talking, and the bill, after some time the bill came, and so I said that we'll be paying, like we'll be splitting the bill. So I said I'll be paying in cash, and whatever his like he can pay the whatever credit card or his bill in cash or credit card or whatever it is. So the bill came, I gave my half, and then one, like he gave his card. So the card got declined. One card got declined. So one card got declined. ठीक है. So another card. So that also got declined. Apparently his both of the cards got declined, and he didn't have any cash, or he was not carrying apparently उसके शायद मतलब बैंक में भी कुछ पैसे वैसे शायद नहीं थे. So I did not say much. I said, I'm paying the full amount, no issues. So he said, okay. So I'll go out, and मैं तुमको like जो rest of the amount है, I'm like जो half मेरा half होता है, I'll give you. I said, okay, fine, it's okay. Then we came out, and to be honest, मुझे मेरा कर्फ्यू था 10:30 तक मुझे घर आना होता था, अभी भी होता है. So मेरी मॉम ने कॉल किया कहाँ हो, तो I said that I'm coming by metro. So मैं metro से, like we both went to the metro, and he did not like the way he said that I'll be giving you the money back. He did not do that. He did not go to any ATM, or did not give he never said that I'll give you later. He did not say anything. Like I also did not say anything. I was like, okay, fine, it's fine. So we went there, and like ठीक है, and main thing ये था कि बम्बल से वी वेंट टू इंस्टाग्राम एंड इंस्टाग्राम में वी वर टॉकिंग एंड ऑन द फर्स्ट डेट इट वाज फाइन 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 एंड ही डिड नॉट आस्क मी फॉर माय नंबर. ठीक है, डिड नॉट आस्क मी, सो इट्स फाइन. सो ठीक है, मे बी लाइक ही डिड नॉट लाइक मी और he was not planning to see me. Fine. So we went, like I went to my home, he went to his, whatever. So next day, like he was following me on Instagram, so I gave some stories or something, so he liked and stuff. So he said, so मैं ऑफिस गई थी शायद, एंड ही सेड, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टुडे, एंड आई सेड कि आई एम इन ऑफिस एंड ये. सो ही सेड, लेट्स मीट. सो आई सेड, लेट्स मीट. ओ सर, दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, so let's meet to hua. On the date he also asked me ki we can meet and we can book a hotel and we can spend time. So I was like, obviously I did not know the guy, and second date mein hotel book, I obviously he had his intentions, but I was not comfortable, so I said no. So next day he said, let's meet. So I said, like, then he did not mention anything about the money or anything, but he said, let's meet at a hotel and I'll book it and you can come and we can spend some time together. I was like, see, I have my office, I cannot come and it is not possible for me. You are a busy guy, I'm also a busy guy. So apparently he was a doctor and he was spending in time in research and stuff. और मैं तो यहाँ वेली हूँ, मेरा तो कोई काम धाम नहीं है उसके साथ सोने के लिए. मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ, आई एम वेटिंग कि कब वो कॉल करेगा, होटल में जाएंगे. एंड मतलब इतना चिप्पड़ लोग कैसे हो सकते हैं. ही इज अ डॉक्टर फ्रॉम कनाडा एंड ही, मतलब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो तुमने डेट में तुमने पैसा नहीं दिया तुमने, और उसके ऊपर तुमने मुझे इतना क्रेडिट कार्ड का इतना तुमने ज्ञान झाड़ा. उसके बाद तुम्हारा डिक्लाइन हो रहा है तुम्हारा कार्ड, उसके बाद तुम मुझे ऑफर करो दैट वी कैन स्पेंड टाइम इन होटल. क्या हो, क्यों हो, व्हाई डू यू गाइस इवन एग्जिस्ट? मतलब अगर तुमको हुकअप करना है तो वैसे लड़कियों के पास ही जाओ ना, इट्स फाइन, यू कैन हुकअप, बट व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? मतलब कोई, मतलब वी मतलब generally we will assume that if he's a doctor, he's coming from a very respectable family. Apparently he was a Bengali, so ऐसा behavior, why? मतलब it was so cheap and तभी when I was 25 years old I was very, मतलब मैं ना छोटी छोटी चीजों से बहुत इफेक्ट हो जाती थी. अभी क्या है, अभी ना I still like, ठीक है, मतलब खराब लगता है बट देन आई कैन रेगुलेट माई इमोशन. बट तभी ना बहुत खराब लगता था. आई वाज, मतलब मुझे इतना वो चीज बहुत इफेक्ट किया कि वाई, मतलब मैं ऐसी टाइप की उसको लगी कि मतलब ऐसे तुम बिहेव करोगे. इट फेल्ट रियली बैड, मतलब मुझे बहुत खराब लगा. देन touchwood, I had my friends and they were like, fine, okay, होता है. And so I got over. but तभी ना मतलब थोड़ा, मतलब वो, मतलब मुझे अफेक्ट करता था कि क्यों मेरे साथ, क्यों, वाई, वही वाई मी. बट वो वाई मी एटीट्यूड अभी मैं आस्ते आस्ते वहां से निकल रही हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. ठीक है, मतलब होता है, फाइन, इट्स नॉट मी, इट्स दैट पर्सन. सो आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट, मतलब बम्बल डेट्स में जाके ना आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट पीपल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कि it is not you, it is them. Don't feel bad, like if someone is making you feel really bad, don't make sure that it is not you, it is them. It is, they are projecting their thing. like, वो चिपड़ था, वो मतलब इतना इतना बोल के कर्टसी भी नहीं है कि वो जो पैसा है आई गिव द पर्सन बैक. उसके बाद उसको कुछ नहीं बोला उसने. उसको मतलब था कि होटल में जाओ, जाके मुझे सोना है तुम्हारे साथ, दैट्स इट. आई मीन व्हाई? जाओ ना, हुकअप करना है बोलो. एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव पीपल, लाइक you can go and you can pay and you can have your thing, but why, matlab why will you do like that? It was so cheap, it was so, मतलब मुझे, I don't, मतलब these kind of men, मतलब इन लोगों को क्या पता नहीं चलता कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, what am I doing, what really am I doing. कुछ साल बाद that I will get married and I will also have kids, and अगर बाई चांस तुम्हारा भी कोई लड़की हो गया एंड उस लड़की के साथ ऐसा हो रहा है जैसा तुमने किया है, और वो लड़की, चलो हम लोग क्या है, हम लोग अपने पेरेंट्स को इतना शेयर है, और तुमको पता चल गया कि तुम्हारे लड़की के साथ ऐसा हुआ है, तो क्या फील करोगे तुम यार? मतलब आई विश, आई होप ऐसा नहीं हो किसी और लड़की के साथ, बट यू शुड थिंक, आई मीन. सो या, मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर डेट वाज बहुत ट्रॉमेटिक, बट बहुत डिमीनिंग था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मेरे लिए इट वाज वेरी डिमीनिंग. आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट, बट यू नो, होता है, एक्सपीरियंसेस होता है, यू लर्न फ्रॉम इट. सो डू लेट मी नो अगर आप लोगों के साथ भी किसी के साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा, इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द जेंडर, इफ यू आर अ मेल, इफ यू आर अ फीमेल, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स अगर ऐसा कुछ चिप्पड़ बिहेवियर आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग, बाय बाय.